ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। We are seeing the Vakyas. From Sanskrit Banao, right?
Yes,
Eighth one.
Which one? Eighth one.
Eighth one.
Okay.
यति भस्म में रमता है मुनि की भस्मानि रमते.
Next.
Is it Bhasmani or Bhasmani?
Bhasmani, not Bhasmani.
Bhasman.
Ninth one. Tava janma kada abhavat. तुम्हारा जन्म कब हुआ था?
What is the question? What did you use the word? Can you repeat it?
So it is तुम्हारा जन्म कब हुआ था. What I wrote was तवा जन्म kada abhavat.
Kada.
Kada.
Next.
शत्रु के दुस्सह बाणों का चिन्ह मेरे शरीर पर है. शत्रु.
Which vibhakti?
षष्ठी.
Shatru shabda षष्ठी.
शत्रुः.
Guru shabda षष्ठी.
गुरवः.
षष्ठी.
I'm not. Guru.
Same way.
शत्रोः. शत्रोः दुस्सह
दुष्कराणां बाणानां.
दुष्कराणां बाणानां चिह्नं मम शरीरे अस्ति.
Chihnam. Chihnam is Napumsakalinga. Did they?
No idea. Sorry.
Chikna, they have given the word Lakshman. Lakshman means Lakshma, like Sharma, like this. Lakshma.
So Lakshmaha then?
No, Lakshma.
Lakshma only.
Ekavachanam, right?
Lakshma mama sharire asti. Shatrohu.
Chikna is Ekavachanam, right?
Chinha ekavachanam.
Yeah.
Bano is more, right? So
Kriya Pada goes with Chikna. Chikna is there. Next.
Yatihi यति मृग के चर्म पर बैठता है, यति ही मृगस्य चर्मणि उपविश्यति।
नेक्स्ट,
मेरी धर्म में श्रद्धा है, मम धर्मे श्रद्धा अस्ति।
माम माम धर्मे
मा
श्रद्धा।
धर्मे
माम
माम।
नेक्स्ट,
वसंत में बहुत से फूल और फल होते हैं। वसंते बहूनि पुष्पाणि फलानि च भवन्ति।
नेक्स्ट, Abhaji, are you able to follow?
Yes, I'm following. Yeah.
Okay. 14th one.
I will just listen today. I didn't prepare anything.
Okay. No problem. Next, Anusha, continue.
अहं सायंकाले भ्रमणार्थं गमिष्यामि।
So without aham also we can make the sentence Gamishyami is indicating Uttam Purusha. Next. No, but there is nothing wrong using aham. Aham we can use, without aham also we can use. Next.
The next one is Krisha Manushya par daya karo. Krishe Manushye dayam kuru.
Yes. Next.
वर्षा में चाहता वर्षा से बचता है। वर्षायाम आतपत्रम वर्षायाः रक्षति।
I think it was Prabhaji's turn.
It's okay. Okay. Next, Prabhaji.
प्राज्ञ सुकर और दुष्कर सभी कर्मों को करता है। ओके, प्राज्ञ सुकर दुष्कर च सर्वकर्माणि अकरोत् करता है। So lat lakar itself, right? Karoti.
So sukara dushkara, sukaraha dushkaraha. Sukara and dushkara are pratipadika.
Right.
Sarva karmani. If we write together samasta pada, then sarva karmani is fine. If we split it,
Sarvani.
Sarvani karmani.
So it should it be Sukarani, Dushkarani then?
No, Sukara Dushkaraha Prathama.
Okay. Sukara Dukara and then Karmani. Okay. Okay.
Next.
बुद्धिमान लोग प्रियजनों के साथ घूमते हैं। बुद्धिमान बुद्धिमान जनः प्रियजनों के साथ
बुद्धिमान.
बुद्धिमान
What is the Subanta Shabda? What is used in this chapter?
Pragnaya.
Buddha.
Buddha.
बुधः
Prajna is also okay. Buddha. Buddha, what is the Bahuvachanam?
बुधौ
Bahuvachanam.
बुधाः स्वप्रियजनेन सह भ्रमयति
Priyajanena saha. Is it ekavachanam or bahuvachanam? Priyajanam ke.
प्रियजनों के बहुवचन
Bahuvachanam. Then what is the Bahuvachana form?
जनानि
Janani. Which vibhakti?
ओके द्वितीय विभक्ति है ना?
Which vibhakti should come when the Sat is there at that time?
साथ
Along with
लॉन्ग
Tritiya.
तृतीय विभक्ति
Tritiya. What is the Bahuvachana form? Priyajanaihi, Ramaihi.
ओके ओके रामैः यस प्रियजनैः प्रियजनैः भ्रमयति
Brahmanti. That is also Bahuvachanam because Buddhaha is Bahuvachanam. Therefore, Brahmanti is also Bahuvachanam. Next.
वह भ्रमण करे. Sorry.
वह भ्रमण करता है. सह in the Udarana Vakya they use Brahmyati, but I see that Brahmati and Brahmyati are also available. Which one should we use?
Optional form is there.
So in Latlakara for Brahm Dhatu it is Ekavachanam is Brahmati or Brahmyati.
Both we can use.
And then in the Udaharana Vakya number 7 they used Brahmyati. Buddha Brahmyati. That seems like niche. I don't know. I think that is for another Brahm Dhatu. That is Divadigana. Divadigana Brahm Dhatu is Brahmyati and the other Gana is Brahmati or Brahmyati.
Yes, we can use Brahm Chalane and we can use Brahm Anavasthane. Both we can use.
Thank you.
So what is the right one, Umaji? Is it Saha Brahmyati then?
No, you can use Brahmyati or you can use Brahmati, Brahmyati.
Okay.
Both are okay.
If we use lut pratyaya, then
Bhramyat.
lut
भ्रमिष्यति
and not lut. Lut pratyaya.
Brahmanam karoti.
Brahmanam karoti. That's what in Naishkarmi Siddhi class Swamiji explained. Na? Lut pratyaya. Okay, next.
तूने भ्रमण किया త్వం అమ్మా ఇది అయిపోయిందమ్మా లేకపోతే మామూలు నార్మల్
Past tense.
అభ్రమత్తం
Next.
Aham Brahmishyami.
It's a question like, मैं भ्रमण करूं?
Is it a question? मैं भ्रमण करूं.
It is not a question. It is more like it's like a load. May
हाँ.
I? May
May
I?
Correct.
हाँ,
Should I or may I, like that, right?
Yes.
Okay, so aham.
What kind of sentence is this in English?
I think it is more like imperative one.
Okay.
Umaji, am I going off?
Yeah, you may be right. I'm not sure. Imperative is more like vidhi, so it can be lot. So
Okay. मैं भ्रमण करूं. So aham brahmishyami. Oh, not brahmishyami. Then it will be aham brahmishyan.
Mam Ramanam Karavani.
Oh, okay.
So we are asking, na? Like, may I do the Brahmanam?
So if you use lut pratyaya, you will use Brahmanam Karavani. If we don't use lut pratyaya, can we say Mam Brahmyani or Brahmani?
Yes.
Brahmani, yeah. Brahmani. Mam Brahmani.
Yes, that is also correct. Next.
वह शांत होता है सह शमति और शमन करो शाम्यति.
Next.
बुद्धिमान इंद्रियों का दमन करता है. बुधः इंद्रियाणि दाम्यति.
Next.
तू थूकता है.
So I had a question there. Is it thukna or thakna? Because thakta hai is there in the Shabda Kosha, but thukta hai means to spit. And I don't know the meaning, how to say spit in Sanskrit. I don't know.
Oh.
So thakta hai is there in Shabda Kosha, that is klum or klumish.
Okay, we can take that Shabda Kosha word.
Yeah.
Yeah, klam.
Klamayati.
Klamyati. Next.
Tvam.
Next.
What was the sentence actually? Tu thakta hai.
Vendraji, what is the complete vakya?
In my text it is written as Durjana.
Tu thakta hai. Can you say the Sanskrit vakya for that?
Tvam. Klamya.
Is it not Latlakara?
Yeah, he's
Then
trying to do Madhyama Purusha, I think.
Madhyama Purusha.
Oh,
Tvam
okay.
Klamyasi.
Klamyasi.
It is
Yes.
Klamyasi.
Hmm. Next, Tvam Klamyasi. Next.
Klamyasi.
मैं प्रसन्न होता हूँ. अहम हृष्यामि.
Next.
I think Anusha just dropped. मूर्ख लोभ करता है, मूर्खः लुभ्यति.
Okay. Which sutra? You are saying it
Ato
is
lopa iti.
Iticha. Ato lopa iticha. Akara will get lopa. This is the meaning of this sutra. When there is it, not only it is there. It means adhadatukasya edvaladehe. You remember that? We saw that sutra. It agama. In which it agama will happen.
Right.
So, that it, whenever it is there, akara will get lopa. Cha is there, na? In that cha, what else will come is kakara itsannaka pratyaya and nakara itsannaka pratyaya. These two also, whenever it is there, then akara will get lopa.
Okay.
So in this, it is da dhatu actually. Here I have mentioned. You see. Sukha is the upapada, da is the dhatu, ka is the pratyaya. Atonupasarge kaha. By that ka pratyaya we have brought. Akaranta dhatu is there and it is followed by kit pratyaya. Here niti means kakara itsannaka pratyaya, nakara itsannaka pratyaya and it. Here we have kakara itsannaka pratyaya. Therefore this akara will get lopa.
Right.
Should I?
No, I understood. So now I understood. So it is the ka being lopa. Kiti is the reason for it happening in that particular example. Okay, that's what I wasn't. I was like, where is what is happening? Okay.
Yeah, here I mentioned above. That's why you did not understand. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and this happens even, when we are explaining, we write somewhere in later when we see, we have no idea what is happening. But it is good. Next time onwards, I will follow the step on that sutra itself, not somewhere else. So any other doubt? I will, I did not get this. Putraha, I did not look at. I will look at it later. One more sutra yesterday. Here, duhu is there. Visarga is getting shakara by idudupadhasya cha pratyayasya. I think we have seen this. No, we have not. Idudupadasya cha pratyayasya. What this sutra says, ikara upadha ukara upadha, when it is followed by pratyaya avayava bhinna visargasya, pratyaya avayava, sorry, ikara upadha or ukara upadha, also it is not different from any other pratyaya avayava, pratyaya avayava bhinnasya, sorry, it is different from pratyaya avayava. Visargasya sthane kakaraha, visargasya sthane, in that visarga sthana shakara adesha happens when it is followed by kakara or kakara or pakara or phakara. Here let's see this example. Ikara upada. Here upada is what?
Ukara.
Ukara. Either ikara can be there upada or ukara can be there as upada. Ikara or ukara upada. Here ukara upada is there. And pratyaya avayava bhinnasya visargasya. Is it pratyaya avayava?
No, angasya.
No.
It is not pratyaya. It is upapada. Pratyaya is khal pratyaya.
Yeah.
Pru is dhatu and dur is upapada. This is not pratyaya. Pratyaya avayava bhinna visarga. In the place of this visarga, shakara happens. The nimitta is either it should follow kakara or kakara, pakara or pakara.
Adesha bhavati.
Like
Is-
Jepamulya and Upadvani and that. I think.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So that's why Visarga is pronounced differently also in front of them.
Is this sutra clear?
Yes, Amma.
I didn't get kakare, kakare, pakare, pakare, pare. So, how is it?
Nimitta is kakara. Here,
Oh, pare is before.
Visarga.
Okay, before
Ha.
that. Okay,
Ha.
before
After
pare is
visarga.
After
Okay, you
Visarga
follow.
is there. Yeah, that's what it is.
After visarga. Or this after, before it may be confused. Visarga followed by kakara.
okay, understood.
Is that
Thank you.
clear? Okay, this is the sutra that yesterday we did not mention. Jagat. Jagat is creation. They have given samsara, but either meaning is okay. Vyat. Vyat is space. Gatihi. Gatihi means goal or attainment. Buddhihi, intellect. Dhrutihi, fortitude. Krutihi is karyam. Natihi, namaskar. What is this? Jukna means what?
Bend.
To bend.
Down.
To
To
bow.
Okay.
bow down. Yeah, to bow down.
Bhutihi, Aishwarya, wealth. Uktihi means kathanam.
అమ్మ ధృతి అన్నారటమ్మా ధృతికి అంటే ఏంటమ్మా తెలియదు ధైర్యం
Fortitude.
ధృతి తెలుగు వర్డ్ కూడా ధృతియే.
ఓకే
ఉపేంద్రజీ తెలుగు వర్డ్ ఇంకోటి ఏదైనా ఉందా ధృతికి?
స్థైర్యము అని కూడా స్థైర్యం.
స్థైర్యం. ఐ థింక్ స్థైర్యం కూడా డిఫికల్ట్.
ఓకే అమ్మా
Next one is uktihi. Uktihi
narration, kathan.
means to tell.
Yeah.
Kathana means to tell. Ishtihi is yajna. Or that which is desired. Vrittihi. Vrittihi is vyavahara or vyapara. Ajivika means vyapara. Vyapara.
Livelihood. Livelihood.
Like,
Livelihood.
pravrittihi. Pravrittihi is engaging. Muktihi, liberation. Yuktihi, logic. Samsritihi. Samsritihi, samsaranam. Okay, samsriti is samsaranam. Transmigration. Not transmigration.
It can be done transmigration. Here they put samsara, so it can be used. Yeah.
Samsriti as samsaranam only. Okay. Yudh. Is war. Ut upasarga purvak D dhatu to fly. Uddhiyate. Uddhayate. Sorry. Uddhayate to fly. Deep means to shine. Deepyate. Klish. Klish is to cry. Klishyate. Pachat. Pachat is Shatru Pratyay Rupam. While cooking. Patat. While falling. Panditam Manyaha. Everybody knows this meaning. The one who thinks I am the Pandita. I know everything. Shakaharin. One who eats vegetable is called Shakaharin. Niramisha Bhojin, also Shakahari. Mamsaharin, the one who eats Nishiddha food, is in this chapter. Tin pratyaya, an pratyaya, nini pratyaya. 3 pratyayas they are introducing. Let us see those pratyayas. Striyam tin. This Striyam tin will be used in Bhava Prayoga. Bhav, not Bhava Prayoga.
Punaji, one question. Vritti, Vyavahara, Ajivika, what was that?
Livelihood.
Livelihood. Bhave, in the sense, it is not Bhava Prayoga. It will get Bhava Sanya. When we make the form Kruti is Tin Pratyaya. This Tin Pratyaya is getting the Bhava Sanya. Chitihi is also Bhava Sanya. Matihi is also Bhava Sanya. Like that. Bhave akartaricha karake iti vartate. Akartaricha karaka means it will be there in Bhava Prayoga. It will not be there in Kartari Prayoga. It can be there in Karmani Prayoga. Means Karmani and Bhava Prayoga. This Striyam tin can come. Strilinge Bhavadau धातोः तिङ् प्रत्ययः भवति स्त्रीलिङ्गे इन् स्त्रीलिङ्ग भाव आदौ means bhava and karmani in both of them in both of that bhavadau dhatoh. I think there Vadi dhatu should be there actually, but I think all commentaries are given Bhada only, Bhava. Here also Bhavado is there. Here also Bhavado. Strilinge Bhave tin syat. Here Laghu Siddhant Kaumudi, Vritti is clear. In Strilinga, Bhave Prayoga, tin Pratyaya will come. This Vritti is better. In Strilinga, Bhave Prayoga, tin Pratyaya will come. So dhatu is there.
Poonaji, I am still confused about Bhava Prayoga and Bhava Vachaka Sanya. So are they the same? So in the Niyama it says Bhava Vachaka Sanya and then Bhave Prayoga you mentioned here.
Bhavavachaka Sanya Sikruti is not any Kriya Pada. It is like a Shayanam is there.
Yes.
Shi Dhatu. Shayanam is there. That is Bhava Vachaka Artha, right?
Okay. So that means like the
It is
gerund
no
or
Kriya.
it's a noun, right? After pratyaya is added, it is kriya becomes a noun, and therefore it has this bhava vachaka sanya, or it is in the sense of doing kriya, but it is not really kriya.
So here Kritihi is not indicating any lakara, just doing.
Yes. Okay. Now I understood that, but you said bhava prayoga. So then I'm wondering if bhava prayoga is same as bhava vachaka sanya.
In the Ashtadhyayi, they have mentioned bhava prayoga. Like we saw in all other pratyayas, kartrivachaka, karmavachaka, bhavavachaka, right? When bhavavachaka comes, karta should be in tritiya and karma, the kriya pada should be in napumsakalinga ekavachanam. This was the niyama for bhavavachaka.
Correct.
So here they have mentioned in niyama bhavavachaka sanya.
So Purnaji, doesn't when we say bhavavachak, like you said just now, when we say bhavavachak sangya, does it not mean that the word, the noun, gives the meaning of the verb, or maintains the same meaning as the verb it is from, the root?
Yes, yes.
So in that, is it essential that it be like tasya kritihi? We use that, don't we? In that it is not a karmani or a bhave prayoga as in a sentence in tritiya form, right? Is it? Okay.
Yeah, the meaning is in the sense of bhava. Means dhatu artha is not changing. Whatever is the dhatu artha will remain as it is.
So similar to ghe pratyaya and other
Ha,
pratyaya.
ha. Yes,
Right.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
And there,
Actually, here it is not, as you mentioned, ghai pratyaya. That is the sense here. It's not like karmani, kartari and bhava. But in other, here they have mentioned karaka. That means bhav prayoga. But niyamas are not clear that much, whether we should which pratyaya and all. If it is bhava, all those niyamas are not given. So we can just consider like ghai pratyaya only. Right? If it is bhava prayoga, they could given karta should be in tritiya and kriya pada should be in napumsakalinga, like that. We'll assume it is bhave in the sense of ghai, how we take dhatu artha, like that. Kritihi. Kru is there, tin pratyaya is there. Dhatu will not change. Dhatu will remain as dhatu only. What will remain here? In tin,
Ki.
nakara will disappear by
Halant.
halantyam. Kakara will disappear by
Lashakvatati.
kruti. So this way kruti shabda has formed. Striyam tin. This is the tin pratyaya. Okay, we'll see tomorrow. Dhrutihi is also same. Dhru dhatu tin pratyaya. Means to fortitude. Dhruti is fortitude. Whatever is given in Shabda Kosha, dhrutihi, krutihi, natihi, bhutihi, uktihi, ishtihi, vrittihi, pravrittihi, muktihi, yuktihi. All these are which pratyaya?
Tin pratyaya.
Buddhihi, gatihi, buddhihi is also tin pratyaya. Gatihi, which dhatu?
Gam
Gam
dhatu.
dhatu.
Gam dhatu. If it is gam dhatu, what happens to makara?
the lopa happens.
I don't know.
By which sutra? Anudatopadeshe vanati tanotyadinam jhalik niti. This is the sutra. Will remain gati. Mukti. Mukti. What is the dhatu?
Much, right?
Much.
Then how much becomes? Oh, sorry. Much becomes mukti? We saw this sutra also. Choho kuhu. Chakara will be replaced by kakara. Then mukti. So this way we have to apply all the sutras. When we go on apply, it will become natural. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।